for this example, we are now asked to find 3 arithmetic means between 10 and 130. So to give us an idea on how this looks like, so arithmetic means between 10, 3 arithmetic means, okay, and between 10 and 130. So, ibig sabihin, class, we are asked to find these 3 arithmetic means between 10 and 130. So, similar to example number 2, okay, we will just be using the general form, which is, for the arithmetic sequence, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? And let's just substitute here. So, a sub n, or our last term in our sequence above, is 130. Our first term is 10. Our n here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 minus 1. And our d, we don't know. That is our objective, okay? As we solve this. So, simplifying, 130 equals 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 times d is 4d. Then, we transpose the number 10 to the left side. So, we will be having now 130 minus 10 equals 4d. And then, simplify pa, 130 minus 10 is 120 equals 4d. And dividing both sides by 4 to get d, so that is 30. So, our common difference is 30. So, this means that when you get the difference between any two consecutive terms, okay, the difference that will be getting is 30. Now, let's find the 3 arithmetic means. After getting the difference now, we can find now the arithmetic means. So, let M1 be our first arithmetic mean. M sub 2 be the second mean, arithmetic mean. M sub 3 be our third. Okay? So again, my purpose only for representing it through these variables is for you, okay, to avoid confusions and of course to have a clearer details on how the numbers are solved. Okay? So let's find now M sub 1. So to find M sub 1, so M sub 1, di ba andito yun sa M sub 1? M sub 1, M sub 2, M sub 3 natin. So to find M sub 1, this is just 10 plus your difference, di ba? So that is 10 plus 30 is 40. So M sub 1 is 40. Next, M sub 2. M sub 2 is just the previous term, which is M sub 1 plus D. So that is, M sub 1 is 40 plus D. So that is 70. Similarly, M sub 3 is just the previous term, which is M sub 2 plus D. So M sub 2 is 70 plus 30, so that is 100. And if you're going to check this one, di ba? 100 plus 30 is 130, which is the next term to M sub 3. So to conclude, the 3 arithmetic means between 10 and 130 are 40, 70, 100. Okay, so that's how we get the three arithmetic means, just similar to example number 2, just that it's more arithmetic means are being asked here. Okay, so that's all for example number 3.